Hey, welcome back to the garage here at Basin Motorsports. I'm Canaan. Today, I'm going to play around with a dancing off-road stunt car or a monster truck. All right, so what we have here is a dancing stunt car, RC car, off-road monster truck. Now, inside of our box, what we're going to find is, of course, our unit itself. We're going to find a remote control. We're going to have our box here, which has two batteries in it, the charge cable for it. It's going to come with a bag with extra clips for the body, screwdriver, a nice instruction booklet here, and just a contact card as you need if you need service. Now, before we get too far into it, just note that you can take the body off. There are 4 clips on top. All you have to do is pop these out. You can go ahead and then take off the body as needed if you want to change it out for any reason. There's also lights in here that light up when you have the battery and have it turned on. So to put it back on, you can just go ahead and pop it down, pop in your 4 clips. Another cool thing, notice that on the back side, we have 3 wheels. We have 2 wheels here and a third one down here, so that when you put reverse and then quickly forward, it's going to pop a wheelie and it's going to dance. And you can make it turn in circles as you want to. And we're going to try this later once we have the battery installed. Now, in order to put the battery into the truck itself, we're going to go in this back compartment here. So take the screwdriver that comes with it. You can then take this screw out here, and then we're going to go ahead and pop this cover off. Now inside, once you're in the cover, you can find your clip, your harness inside. We want to take one of the 2 batteries that comes in the box. We're going to go ahead and attach it in, and just know there's a clip or a guidance clip on the side here, so it's only going to go on one way. Now once you're done there, you can just tuck the connector back down in there, tuck the battery in there, and then just go ahead and put your cover back on using the screwdriver to attach the screw. Now next, we're going to take our remote control. We're going to flip it over on the back. Now again, this is going to have a similar battery compartment here. You just take the screw out with the supplied screwdriver, pop the cover off, and you'll notice that it needs 2 AA batteries. Now it does not come with these AA batteries, so be sure to pick yourself up a selection of those because you want to play with this and you need some batteries. Now, installing them, you just have to follow the diagram. The negative, of course, goes to the spring on both sides. Once you have the batteries in, just go ahead and pop the cover back on, and then you can snap it in and then attach the screw just like you took it out. All right, once you have batteries in, you can just turn it on. You'll notice that it starts flashing, so you know this is active with batteries. You can go over here to the side of the unit. You can see the red switch down there. We're going to go ahead and turn that on. You'll notice it starts flashing. Oh yeah, we're ready to party. All right, so the controls itself, once it's on, you'll have an up, down on your left side and a right, left on your right side here. So now we just go ahead and let's put it on the ground. We'll kind of show this. And there's a nice wheelie function. We'll do the reverse and up, and it's going to dance. All right, so we're just going to try it inside here a little bit. So let's do a little forward. Yep. Rearward. Forward again. Rearward. All right, now that we got the basic feel for it, we're going to go outside. Now you see we've got a nice rocky surface, and it's wide open out here. So we're going to hit this auto button. We're going to stand back because this thing is going to take off on its own. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we might be stuck. Nope, we got it. Oh, yeah, look out. The puppies like it. Uh-oh, we might be stuck. Going for it again. This is on auto again. Oh, the rock's giving a little trouble. Oh, it's going though. It's going. Look out! It's coming! Much better on a nice smooth surface though. Oh, there we go. Oh my God, this is too much fun. Look out! Oh no, we're gonna get the dogs. Oh, we
test it.
All right, so we're back down in the shop. I could spend all day running around with the monster truck here from Zuobola. There's a link down in the description to jump over to this to buy yourself one. Just remember, they don't come with batteries for the remote control. So just pick yourself at least a pair of AA's, but if you're like me and the battery for this is rechargeable, you will want to have those batteries available because these things are a blast. So get yourself one of these. Now remember, Christmas is a few months away, which is just right around the corner. So snap a couple of these up. And even if you don't have kids, for an adult, these are pretty awesome to do. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time.